friends, it's me Poonam. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am sharing with you the H&M haul जो कि मैंने यहाँ से भी इंडिया से परचेज किया सिंगापुर। मैं आपसे वो सारी चीज़ें जो है शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। I have some accessories from H&M and some clothes, tops. So please watch the video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified from me. And follow me on Instagram, the ID is in description and here too. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So the first thing which I got this beautiful top without laces, and I put this laces because it was off shoulder, so I was not able to wear this, and now it looks too beautiful. You can see it's too stretchable and the material is also very good. This I bought from the Dubai when I went last year, so you can see. The second thing which I got from again H&M, this beautiful trouser which is fully printed. It's like a floor print, and you can see the price tag, and you can see this beautiful trouser I got only in 599. The original cost was 1499. This pant I bought recently and it's too comfortable. You can see here is the elastic, and this print I like the most. And this one I bought recently in the lockdown when the sale was going, and now also you can check to H&M, there is sales is going on and you will get the amazing things there. So please do visit. And the third thing which I got, this one is only 49. Can you guys imagine this? The original cost for this one is 799. Again, this one is not too much like it's a very simple, but it's too comfortable and the material is also very nice. Again, this one is from H&M India, and I got this beautiful black color shirt with these beautiful flowers only on 499, and the original cost was 1500 something. I can give the price in the description. And again, this beautiful shirt which I got from H&M India, and this one also I bought recently when the offer was going. It cost me after discount 699. The original cost also I can provide in the description. It's too comfortable and the funny look, like here is the belt which we can tie. You can see, and the material is also very nice. It's a stretchy material and purely cotton. This and is this beautiful one piece which I got from Singapore when I visited last year, and it's too comfort. This is a stretchable material and I like this flower. And this is too much pretty, which I bought from India only, from Gurgaon Mall, right? It's from Gurgaon, and I also bought this in the discount price, but I don't remember now the price of this dress, but the material of this dress is very nice and it's too comfortable to wear. If you are following me on Instagram, you can also see the picture which I posted on this dress. Now turn is for the accessories. So this beautiful earring I got only on 49 rupees. The original cost for this is 799. So you can see I'm in love with this earring. It's too beautiful. Again, this earring is only 49 rupees and the original cost was 799. And you can see it looks so pretty. There is amazing things like accessories was too much and you'll get it only 199. Some was 149 and this earring I got only on. And the third accessories which I got, again the earring which cost me only 49 rupees, and you can see the price here is 799. In this maybe it blur. I can post the picture here so you can check it out. If you enjoy watching this video, please do like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified from me. So I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.